Hi guys, Nat from Tentworld Prospect here. Today we're going to talk about the Accusharp Rod Sharpener with a diamond coating. I've got one here and it's been pretty awesome. Really good for using on your small pocket knives. Beware, it also does fishing hooks. So if you have a blunt fishing hook you want to sharpen up, you can do so. It's got a nice little groove in the actual meaty part of the rod there to do so. And you can actually take it out and spin it around just so that you can actually get into any serrations on your blades. So you can just go along on your grooves and sharpen that up. Now I won't do that because this knife has no grooves, but we'll use it on the normal setting. So again, diamond coated, gives you a nice edge on your blade. Spin it around, tighten it up. It even has a little hook here so you can clip it on as you would a pen. And all you want to do is make sure that 21-degree angle, and always sliding the knife away from yourself. Do a few strokes, trying to make sure that you get from the very beginning of the knife to the very tip. And I would always recommend switching the other direction. Now, I'm just going to change my hands here and actually slide the rod if you're right-handed. All right, and I'll show you how sharp it gets with a piece of paper. Come back in 1 second. So, after sharpening, that easy. I hope you enjoy using your little Accurod sharpener just as much as I do. I know myself and a work colleague have one, and they're handy, just on the spot, fly, just sharpen it up and you're ready to go.